There are a few different ways to remove your lenses, the most popular one being front on. This is probably the one your optician showed you and involves pinching the lens off the eye. It might be good to watch this video a few times through so you can get the hang of it before you go for it. If you're a monthly lens wearer, you'll want to make sure you have your case and solution handy. Keep your glasses nearby so you can put them on once you take your lens out. So, let's get started. Wash and dry your hands really well to get the best grip. Turn to face the mirror head on. Reach over to the eye you are removing your lens from, pulling the eyelid and lashes up to maximize space. Take your other hand and using your middle finger, pull the lower eyelid down. Create a pinching motion with your finger pads that's just bigger than the lens. Start gently until you know how much pressure is needed to pinch the lens and lift out of your eye. Once it's out, go you! Simply dispose of the lens if it's daily, or put back into solution for monthlies. You will probably need a few attempts to get it right, but don't give up. It just takes a bit of practice. Make sure to give yourself and your eyes a bit of a break between tries. Get a cup of tea and jump back to it when you're ready. If this method wasn't the one for you, there are still 2 other ways to try. Check out video 2, look up to the ceiling, or video 3, side removal. And don't forget, our optical experts are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So give them a call if you're still struggling. Find their contact info in the caption below.